Good morning, students. Let us start chapter Basic class 5. Does it look the same? Does it look the same? See, you may see this design. This design has one dotted line. Okay, so left side from the dotted line and right side from the dotted line looks same. Okay, looks same. So it is looking same. If we fold the shape with this dotted line, left side will cover the right side. Okay, similarly right hand, see, there are two lines. First is vertical line. This is called vertical line. So when you will fold this shape along vertical line, it will cover this part. So if you fold along this horizontal line, it will also cover this part. So this portion is same as this portion. This upper portion is same as the lower portion, and this portion is same as this portion. So this chapter is all about does it look same? Means we cut or fold a shape, see whether one part is covering the other part or not. Okay, so let us start. At the end of the video, you will be understand mirror halves, line of symmetry, or that is what is symmetry, the difference between symmetry and asymmetry. Okay, so let us start the chapter. Look at this. This is a line. So we will put a line in a shape or a figure to know whether the shape can be divided into two equal halves or not. Okay, let us see the shape. Look at this design. Okay, so you have this design and one dotted line is there. Okay, so we supposed to fold this shape this way along this vertical line. Okay, so will this portion cover this portion? No. When this will come this way, this will outside, and when this will come this way, this will outside. This will outside, and when this will come this way, so this will be outside. So this will not cover this shape. Means these two halves are not equal mirror halves. Okay, let us see. Fold the shape. So look at this. This portion is not covering anything. This portion is not covering anything. This portion is outside. It is not covered by anything. This is not covered by anything. Means this portion doesn't look like this portion. Okay, this portion doesn't look like this portion. So these two parts are asymmetric. Okay, then what is symmetric? Look at this portion. This is a step and this is another step. So left side of this line, this, and right side of this line, this. Looking same? Does it look same? Yes, these are same. If it is same, means these are symmetric. This portion is symmetric to this portion. When I will fold this portion, this side, it will exactly cover this shape. Okay, it means these portions are mirror halves, or we can say symmetric, and this line is called as line of symmetry. This line is called as line of symmetry, which divides a shape or design into two equal halves. So this line is called as line of symmetry. This shape is symmetric and this is asymmetric. Asymmetric means when we fold along with the horizontal line or vertical line, one portion doesn't cover the other portion. And whereas in symmetric, one portion covers the other portion when we fold along this line. Okay, so let us move and observe in some examples. Look at this, whether it will mirror half of each other or not. If I will fold along this line, will it be mirror half or not? Yes, it will be mirror half. How? This yellow circle will cover this yellow circle. This half is exactly equal to this half. So this portion will cover this portion, and this portion of the triangle will cover this portion of the triangle. Okay, so this is exactly mirror half or symmetric. So along this line, this portion, first portion, is symmetric to second portion, and this is line of symmetry. Okay, so this is line of symmetry. This is first portion, which is equal to mirror half of second portion, because this covers the second half. Okay, let us see. Let us fold along this line. So when it is folded, you can see the circle has covered this part, yellow circle is this, and triangle part is covered. So this is a symmetric shape. Okay, next. Which shapes are divided into two mirror halves by the dotted line? So we will have some examples in which we have some dotted line, horizontal or vertical or oblique. We have to tell whether it is divided into mirror halves or not. Okay, see the first example. Okay, so this is horizontal line, or this is line of symmetry, line of symmetry, line of symmetry. Why this is line of symmetry? Because when we will fold this shape along this line, first half, this is first half, for example, this is second half. So first half will cover the second half. This point will cover this point. This point will cover this point. This point will cover this point. And this upper half will cover the lower half. Okay. So this is mirror half of each other. Okay. And this is called line of symmetry. Okay. Line of symmetry. Yes. Next is, look at this. When it is folded here along this axis, this is part 1, this is part 2. When I will fold like this portion will cover this portion, and if I fold this way, this portion will come up and cover this. So this is mirror halves. Part 1 is mirror half of part 2, because one part covers the other parts equally. Okay, so this is mirror half and this is line of symmetry. See this example. So this is a line, whether it is line of symmetry or not, let us see. So if I will fold along this line, okay, so line is from here, so this portion will cover this portion, and it will be something like this, cover like this. Okay, so this portion will not covered by anything. So this is not line of symmetry and this is not symmetry. Instead, if it is coming this way from here and going from here, then it would have been line of symmetry. Then it would cover each other. Okay, So this is not. Look at this. This is again axis or line of symmetry. When I will fold this portion this way, so this will cover this and this will come on this. So first half is symmetric to second half because one half covers the second half. So this is can be folded into two mirror halves. Yes. Next shape. Look at this. This is line of symmetry. Yes. When I will fold like this portion will touch this portion, cover this portion, covers this portion, okay, and this half covers this half. So this is called line of symmetry because it is two equal halves. So this is first half, this is second half. First half is symmetric to second half because when I will fold the shape, it will cover each other exactly. Okay, so yes. Look at this butterfly. Okay, and look at this butterfly. In this butterfly, line is here, and in this butterfly, line is going from here. Okay. So in this example, you can understand when I will fold this way. So this wing will cover this, and this portion covers this, and it will have two antennas. One will cover this antennas. Means this is first half, this is second half. You can see both halves have same things. One antenna, two wings, complete. So this is called mirror halves, and this is line of symmetry. But when I cut along this line, this is one portion, this is second portion. You will see this antenna is not there in first portion. Okay, in first portion small wings are there, but in second portion bigger wings are there. Means first half is not symmetric to second half, so this is not line of symmetry. Okay, so in this way you can understand in a shape there is a definite way to put a line of symmetry to divide it into two equal parts. Okay, so now observe. Look at this. No, this is not symmetric. So now let us see what we have done till now. Line of symmetry. Fold the shape along with the dotted line. Whatever we have done, we have folded a shape along with dotted line. And if one half covers the other half completely, okay, then first half is covering the second half. If it covers completely, then these are called two mirror halves. Then these two parts are called the mirror halves. If not completely covers, means it is not symmetric and it is not line of symmetry. Okay, this dotted line is called as line of symmetry. This dotted line is called as line of symmetry, and one half covers the other half completely. Okay, one shape can have more than one line of symmetry. Okay, examples we will see in the forthcoming videos. And line has a specific position. Only at that position it can divide into two mirror halves. Okay, so see this. This has horizontal line of symmetry. It has vertical line of symmetry. Okay, but if I cut it from here, so this portion will cover this portion completely, exactly covers. So this is another line of symmetry. Means this is first line of symmetry, this is second line of symmetry. means this is first part, this is second part. If we fold along this line, and this is first part, this is second part. If we fold along this line, means a shape can have more than one line of symmetry. It has two, it can be, some shape can have more than two. A shape can have more than one line of symmetry. Line of symmetry can be vertical, can be horizontal, can be vertical, or can be any other oblique, means like this, but we have seen in butterfly. Okay. So similar examples we will do in next videos. I hope you understand the line of symmetry and mirror halves. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now for the next videos. Thank you.